Hey there, it's E.Chenice here, each day with E.Chenice, and I'm in the garden and it's time to harvest a few items here. If you look right here where I have my cutter, this is Swiss chard, and they are already a little past the 12 inches tall, and so it's time to go ahead and harvest them, and that's what I'm gonna do. Kind of got them mixed in here with the beets, but it's okay. And what we need to do, we just need to get our garden cutters like I have here, and you're gonna cut maybe like about an inch from the stem here, about right there, an inch or two. And then what happens, they will just continue to grow within about 1 to 2 weeks. So I'm just gonna snip these, get my little fork out of the way here that I was using to keep the critters out. And so this is a nice, healthy, look how pretty these leaves are. See, they are very, very nice and healthy. So I'm just gonna snip them, like I said, about an inch or two from the bottom here. And within 1 to 2 weeks, they will continue to grow. So I'm kind of holding my camera here, so I got to do this one hand. And once I get them all cut, I will show you what I have. I don't want to cut my beet stem that's so close there. And sometimes if we wait too long to cut them, they become very tough leaves. So this is my first time, oops, and I'm excited. We're gonna see. I kind of lost them on the other side. And then if you look down in here, see, that's a new leaf right there that's coming up, right there. That's a new one. And down in there is also a new one. So like I say, they do grow very, very fast. Okay, get all this out. And the rest of these, those are my beets that's growing. I didn't realize I had mixed up the seeds there. So what's left in there are the beets. So here it is. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beautiful leaves here. You can see them, nice little bunch. And like I said, this is my first time planting Swiss chard, which I mixed up and put them in the same pot as my beets. Didn't realize that. So we're gonna see what this turned out, but they are beautiful. And within the next 1 to 2 days or so, they will continue to grow. So they just kind of just regrow from the same stalk. But there they are, beautiful. And so what I'm gonna do is put them in a sink and wash them. And it's not enough to really make a big dish, so maybe I end up putting them in a salad or something. But there they are, beautiful. Well, thank you so much for tuning in to E.Chenice Edible Landscape. That's what we have for today. And remember, every chance, hold to excellence. Give me thumbs up if you like it, and tell me what else you would like to see coming from the garden. Until next time, it's E.Chenice here.